can I grow bananas in pots? To grow banana trees, prepare an unripe banana and cut it flat at the root position. Prepare a pot with clean river sand. Plant the banana in it and water it thoroughly. Finally, place a glass jar on top to keep it warm and moisturized, and move it to a cool and airy place. After a month, see if it can take root and sprout. As temperatures gradually drop, amaryllis will stop growing. At this point, the foliage should be cut back to allow it to go dormant. Water needs to be controlled before pruning. And when the soil is relatively dry, all leaves should be cut off from the top to centimeters of the bulb. In winter, as long as the temperature does not fall below 5 degrees Celsius or lower, a plant will not go dormant, and pruning will not be necessary. After pruning, it should be placed in a light place in spring, when the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. It will grow new leaves and continue to flower. These are my experiences and tips in raising amaryllis, and I hope to share them with you.